Hello friends, it's Nicole here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I get all my plants here for free. If you're interested, keep on watching. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm holding a big box here. I am going to a plant swap event here in Kansas City. So I have several plants that I want to swap. I have a few asters. Here's my Cherokee purple tomato, and here is my purple pepper, mild spicy, and I also have some sugar baby. Watermelon is still a baby. I'm very excited to see what other people have, and I cannot wait to expand my garden, my houseplant collection for this year. So I'll see you there. So I just got to the plant swap event and I'm a little bit self-conscious now because all my plants, they are not huge, and when I first got here I saw a guy holding up his like big plants, and compared to his, my plants are kind of tiny, and I don't think they're anything special. They're just pepper, tomatoes, watermelon plants, but I really want them to find a good new home, and I have those as asters and I don't have enough space for them. So, and I would be kind of disappointed if nobody liked my plant. Well, let's hope I can find something interesting, something good there, and people will also like my plants. All right, let's go.
We've got some, alrighty, okay,
They were just pulled up yesterday, so
yeah, you have trouble pushing it under control. I can't get rid of it. I mean, I planted it and
welcome all of you to the Seed Savers 6th annual Seed, Bulb, and Plant Exchange. 16 years we've been doing this. Isn't that exciting?
yes.
And our thoughts are we are a caring, giving, sharing community of gardeners. And that means a lot because many times anybody that's getting a plant, they have to pay for it. But if you get trade plants, you don't have to pay for it. And that's, you're giving from the heart.
All right, you guys, enjoy.
Have fun!
Here are all their tomato selection. Oh my gosh.
Really?
It's like the heaven for the tomato fans.
yeah, it's not.
Let's check out what varieties that they have. Ooh, sounds delicious.
I got quite a bit.
I don't know all of the varieties, but I have an idea. Green zebra tomatoes. I've never had one before. Red cherry tomatoes. Another popular one. Huh. I don't know. Should I give it a try? Okay. Besides tomatoes, they also have a lot of herbs selections. Different types of cabbage. They also have sunflowers. some huge garlic, leek, Wow. They are huge. Red turnips. Some leek. Sweet potatoes. They also have some fruit trees, berries, blueberries, red goji. If you go to Home Depot right now, they have it for $25 because I just went there the other week. Persimmon, black gum, did not expect that at all. You can always find some interesting varieties there. For those varieties, you usually don't get it from the grocery stores or from the nurseries. They sell very basic stuff, but the special ones usually taste very good, and you have to start from seeds. If you go to the plant swap event, this is the perfect place to expand your collection.
Now this might be your biggest one that I've found so far. You want one or two?
I just want
One. Here's another snowy. Here's some snowy.
They're also giving away a lot of pots. This is a very cool event. They're also giving away some seeds, free seeds.
I just got into houseplants this season, really. So this is my first time seeing them all in spring, you know, it's fun. But this is Michael.
Nicole.
Nicole, nice to meet you.
Yeah, I also very into houseplants and
I just got into them last season, and now I got like 50 different kinds in my bedroom. Yeah. I'm having so much fun with it, you know.
I am back from the plant swap event. Look at how much stuff that I got. I'm super excited. Let me show them to you one by one. First, I got a tomato plant. This one is called Black Vernissage Tomato. I never planted this one before, so very excited. And the next tomato plant I got is quite different if you compare the leaves with this one. This one is called a Silvery Fair Tomato Plant. It fruits earlier than the regular tomato plant, so very excited. And then I got a cute little basil plant. This one is the native strawberry plant. It's called Ozar Beauty. And I also got this big one, also a strawberry plant. It's a non-native one, but look at this. It's flowering and it's fruiting. Ooh. And then I have, oh my gosh, do you know what this one is? Thai basil. This is super hard to find. I just cannot believe I found this one at the plant swap event. Awesome. And another super amazing one is Loofah. Loofah is a tropical and subtropical wine. It belongs to the cucumber family. I always buy Loofah from the Asian grocery stores, and I've never seen any grocery store nursery selling Loofah seedling. I bought some seeds from eBay this year and tried to germinate them, but I got no luck. They just never germinate. So super excited. Wow. And then I have this okra, cute little okra plant. Never planted okra before, but my parents really like okra, and they're coming here to the States to visit me in about 2 months. So very excited, and hopefully they can produce some fruit while they are here. And then I got some eggplants. This one is called shooting star eggplants. It's purple, kind of fat purple with some white stripes. It's super cute and tastes pretty good too. And this one is snowy eggplant. It's kind of light green and whitish color. Never had that kind of eggplant before, and I'm happy to try. And this one is also a snowy eggplant. I don't know why I grabbed 3 of them. I plan to just grab two different varieties. Oh well. And this one is also a strawberry. So put them all together, and I hope they can produce a lot of great sweet strawberries for me. And I also got this one. This is a little jade plant. In my previous video, I talked about jade plant. It's one of the super easy house plant. If you haven't watched the video, I will link it down below. Make sure to watch it. And then, can you believe it? This is a begonia angel wing, if I'm correct. It's in my wish list, so super excited to see it. And I couldn't even find it from the local grocery store. So this one is, wow. Oh my gosh. And then I got a couple pothos. I believe this one is the marble potho, and this one probably the same. I don't know. Let me know if you guys know. I also got a very special tree. This is called tree peony single plant. I cannot wait for it to bloom. Not quite sure if it will bloom for me this year, but hopefully next year. And I also got more stuff. Let me show you. I also got this big bag. Let me show you what it has. This is chives. Oh my gosh. I couldn't find it. I don't know where I could buy chives. I plan to plant them from seeds. However, I bought a different seeds and they're not chives. So super happy that I found chives in the plant swap. I'm going to put them into my garden bed. I built a cinder block garden bed, and in the cinder block, the holes, I plan to put the chives there. If you haven't watched my cinder block garden bed video, if you're interested, I will link it down below. Those are all the things that I got from the plant swap event. This event was so fun. I was super happy that I went. I got to meet people, make friends who actually share the same hobbies with you. We talked about houseplants, about gardening, and they gave me some tips on growing certain plants. That's amazing. How nice the plant communities is, and I really enjoy it. I would definitely come back next year. So if you're in Kansas City area, please don't hesitate to check out the seedsaverskc.org. They have a lot of events there, and if you're not in the Kansas City area, check out the seedsavers.org. I'm sure they have some activities in your local area. If you like this video, please smash the like button for me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I post new video every week, sometimes twice per week as bonus. And you don't want to miss out future video, correct? Alright, that's it for today, and I will see you next time.